between replacement costs and actual cash value?
Okay. Actual cash value, if you think of when you buy a vehicle, a car, and people say the minute you drive it off the lot, it depreciates.
Hmm.
Okay. So basically, actual cash value is a depreciable item. So if you bought a sofa in 1995 and you have a claim that has in your policy's actual cash value, they're going to take a depreciation schedule on that piece of furniture, and that's what they'll pay you for. A replacement cost policy would replace that sofa at today's cost.
Simple enough. And that goes with roofs, all that stuff,
Everything.
everything, right? Because I know a lot of times people will call me and go, I got to refinance because I got to pay for a new roof because maybe they had actual cash back, they didn't have enough. So that leads me to this. Let me ask you this.